where we are going to solve on game theory. Game is defined as an activity between two or more players by set of rules. The example for the game, it may be chess, carom, etc. As per the game, either it may be cricket, football, or any other type of game. But with respect to the game theory, game is applicable for a two-player game, that is a chess, carom, etc. There are two principles involved in a game theory. This one is maximum principle. It states that a row player, say A, will select maximum out of its minimum gain. For example, if you consider a player A is having A1, A2, that is strategy A1, A2, and player B is having B1, B2, B3 strategies. And the element inside the matrix, that is this matrix, this table, we call it as a payoff matrix, which represents gain or loss with respect to each player. In order to determine the maximum min, here you write row minima. In first row, out of 2, 6 minus 4, minimum is minus 4. You need to consider negative sign also. In next strategy, 5, 7, 3, the minimum is 3. Out of this minimum, minus 4 plus 3, maximum is 3. And hence here you write maxi min. That is for this payoff matrix, the maximum value is 3. Then next principle is minimax principle. That is a column player, say B, will select minimum out of its maximum loss. Suppose if we consider the same example, say player B is having 3 strategy B1, B2, B3, and player A is having a 2 strategy, say A1, A2. Player A is having 2 strategy, and the elements inside the payoff matrix 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 6 minus 4, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3. To determine minimax for this payoff matrix, we will consider column maximum. Column maximum. In first column, out of 2, 5, the maximum is 5, 6, 7, maximum is 7, minus 4, 3, maximum is 3. Out of this maximum, 5, 7, 3, minimum is 3. And then we will write, put a box and we will write mini max. That is the value for mini max with respect to the column player. The next, if these two are equal, if maxi min is equal to mini max, suppose if these two are equal, then the game is said to be saddle point. There is a game is having a saddle point. Suppose if these two, there is maximum, if maximum is not equal to minimax, then the game is without saddle point. Game is without saddle point. Then next we will go for a solution of a game. solution for a game determining the optimal strategy for player A and B, value of the game is known as a solution for a game. That means solution for a game that indicates determining an optimal strategy for each player, this player A and player B, and the value of the game is known as a solution for a game. To determine the solution for a game, we have three methods. We have three methods. We have three methods in game theory. The first one, saddle point concept. The second one, dominance concept, or we call it as a role. The third, we have graphical method. We have three methods to determine a solution for a given game. The first method is saddle point concept. Second one is dominance concept. Third one, graphical method. Saddle point concept is applicable for the payoff matrix having an order 2 cross 2. This is 2 cross 2 or here 2 cross 2. It is generally for saddle point concept will applicable for the payoff matrix 2 of 2 matrix, and dominance concept, or we call it as a dominance rule, is applicable when the order of the matrix is having m cross n, where m and n must be greater than or equal to 3. That is, the order of the payoff matrix must be greater than or equal to 3 cross 3. Graphical method is applicable when the order of the matrix is 2 cross m type or n cross 2 type. That is, the graphical method is applicable when the payoff matrix is of 2 cross n type or n cross 2 type. That means a player A must have 2 strategy and player B may have more than 2 strategy. Similarly, for n cross 2 type, player B must have only 2 strategy and player A may have more than 2 strategy, where m and n is greater than or equal to 3. Then we can solve first type, that is a saddle point concept. Solve the following 2% 0 sum game. 2% 0 sum game with the 3 cross 2 payoff matrix with the 3 cross 2 payoff matrix for player A. They are given a payoff matrix player B. They are given B1, B2, and player A. They are given A1, A2, A3, and the elements inside the matrix they are given 9, 8, 6. Then next 2, 6, 4. 2, 6, 4. Let us go for the solution. Here they are given. You need to solve the game whose payoff matrix is given. Solve the following 2% 0 sum game with the 3 cross 2 payoff matrix for the player A. And they are given player A is having 3 strategy, it is A1, A2, A3. Player B is having 2 strategy, B1, B2. And the elements inside the payoff matrix represents gain or loss with respect to each player. Let us go for the solution. What are the payoff matrix they are given? You need to copy down the same. That is for player B, they are given 2 strategy, B1, B2, and for player A, they are given 3 strategy, A1, A2, and A3. And elements they are given 9, 2, 8, 6, 6, 4. First you need to find out row minima. In first row, out of 9, 2, minimum is 2. Similarly, with respect to second, at third row, you have a minimum out of 8, 6, minimum is 6. In third row, minimum 6, 4, minimum is 4. Out of this minimum, maximum is 6. Here you have write maxi, min. Similarly, you have to find with respect to a column. That is column maxima. Out of 9, 8, 6, maximum is 9. Next column 2, 6, 4, maximum is 6. Out of this maximum, minimum is 6. Here you have write mini max. After finding the value of maximum and minimax, here you write since maxi min is equal to minimax, that is the maximum value is 6 and minimax value is also 6. This implies game with saddle point. There is a game with saddle point. Since the maximum and minimax value are equal, that indicates the game with saddle point. Then to determine the strategy for each player, corresponds to maximum value. If you draw an horizontal line, the respective strategy is A2. Therefore, strategy for player A is A2. Similarly, corresponds to minimax value. If you draw a vertical line, the respective strategy is B2. Therefore, for player B, the strategy is B2. Then next, to find the value of game, is B is given by, since maximum value is equal to minimax value, the intersection of these two in the payoff matrix, the intersection element is this is the element 6. It is the intersection of maximin and minimax in the payoff matrix. This is element 6, and hence value of game is 6. This is the solution for the given game. Here the question is given 2% zero sum game. 2% zero sum game. That indicates suppose a player A gains a 1 point, it will be a loss for the player B. Then we call it as a 2% zero sum game, or vice versa. Suppose if the player B has achieved a 1 point, it will be a loss for the player A, and hence we call it as those type of game we call it as a 2% zero sum game. Let us go for next problem on saddle point concept. Solve the following. Solve. Let's go for the second problem. Solve the following. Game whose payoff matrix is given below. There is a given 3 cross 3 player B, B1, B2, B3, player A is having 3 strategy A1, A2, A3, and the elements then given 1, 3, 1, then next is 0, -4, -3, then next we have 1, 5, -1, 5, -1. Let us go for the solution. Here the given the payoff matrix is of the order 3 cross 2. Let us copy down the same problem. This is the order of the matrix with respect to player B, and for player A they are given 3 strategy A1, A2, A3, and the elements are given 1, 3, 1, 0, -4, -3, 1, 5, -1. Similarly, we have to find the row minima with respect to first row. The minimum 1, 3, 1, minimum is 1, 0, -4, -3. The minimum is -4. We need to consider negative side. The next 1, 1, 5, -1, minimum is -1. Out of this minimum, maximum is 1. Then here you write maximin. The next column maximum 1, 0, 1, maximum is 1, 3, -4, 5, maximum is 5, 1, -3, -1, maximum is 1. Out of this maximum, minimum is 1. Here also we have 1, here also we have 1. You have to put both, you have to put the box. Here you write mini and max. Since maximum and minimax are equal, since maximum is equal to minimax, the maximum is 1, minimax is also 1. This indicates game with saddle point. That is the game with the saddle point. The next, to find the strategy for each player corresponds to maximum value. The strategy is A1 is for player A. The strategy is A1. For player B, this for column player, since the minimax value we have both, here also we have one, here also we have one. This is minimax value. We have to draw two vertical lines. The intersection point will be the value of the game. And to find the strategy, here you have B1, B2. Therefore, for player B, B1 or B3, that is the respective, with respect to minimax value, the strategy is B1 and B3, and hence strategy for player B either B1 or B3. The next value of the game, value of game B is given by intersection point. Here also we have 1, here also we have 1. The value of the game is 1. That is, in this type of problem, the player A must use the strategy A1 to win the game, or player B must use either B1 or B3 to win the game. That is the two problems which we solved of, since the maximin is equal to minimax. Suppose if this maximin, say it is having 2 and minimax is equal to 1, that is, if this 2 is not equal, then we call it as a game without a saddle point. Let us solve a problem if maximin and minimax are not equal. That is, game without saddle point. That is, if maximin is not equal to minimax, then we call it as game without a saddle point. Let us solve a problem on before going for the problem, we have a theory on a game without a saddle point. Consider if maxi min is not equal to minimax, then the game is known as game without saddle point, or we call it as mixed strategy, or we call it as a mixed strategy. There is mixed strategy means both the player will use an optimal blend strategy. Then we call it as a mixed strategy. To solve problems on a mixed strategy, let us consider a 2 cross 2 payoff matrix. Let us consider a 2 cross 2 payoff matrix. It is for player B for player A. There is 1 and 2, 1 and 2, A11, A12, A21 and A22. Let us consider a 2 cross 2 payoff matrix where player A and player B is having two strategy, say 1 and 2. If maximin is not equal to minimax and the order of matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix, then we can apply a game without a saddle point concept. Let x1, x2 and y1, y2 are the probabilities of the player A and B for strategy 1, 2 respectively. Let x1, x2 and y1, y2 are the probabilities of the player A and player B for the strategy 1 and 2 respectively, such that x1 plus x2 is equal to 1, y1 plus y2 equal to 1. To find the value of x1 is given by, that is, since you are writing for x1 for player A, just you close the first row, the remaining elements is a to 2, a to 1. Then the formula is a to 2 minus a to 1 whole divided by diagonal elements you need to add. It is a11 plus a22 minus a21 a12 a21 plus a12. Once you know the value of x1, you can substitute here, you get the value of x2. Similarly, for y1, since you are finding with respect to the player B, this for y1, just to close the first column, you will get a22 minus a12. a22 minus a12 divided by denominator will remain same, that is a11 plus a22 minus a21 plus a12. Once you know the value of y1, if you substitute here, you will get the value of y2. Then next to find the value of game. Then next to find the value of the game. Value of game is denoted by b, and it is given by diagonal elements you need to multiply a11 a22 a11 a22 minus a21 a12 divided by numerator will get the same, it is a11 plus a22 minus a21 plus a12. This is the equation to determine the value of the game and probabilities of the respective strategy when maximum and minimax are not equal. Let us solve a problem on game without saddle point. Solve the following game whose payoff matrix given below. The order is given 2 cross 2. This for player B, for player A, and strategy they are given 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 2, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. We need to determine the value of the game. Solve the following game whose payoff matrix is given below. If player A having 2 strategy, player B is having 2 strategy. Let us go for the solution. We will copy down the same table for player B. This for player A. You have 3 minus 2, 2, 5. Here you try get row minima. With respect to the first row, 3 minus 2 minimum is minus 2. In second row, minimum out of 2, 5 minimum is 2. Out of this minima, maximum is 2. Here you will write maxi min. Then similarly you will write column maxima. Out of 3, 2 maximum is 3. Out of minus 2, 5 maximum is 5. Out of this maximum, minimum is 3. It is here you write mini max. Since maximin is not equal to minimax, that is maximum is 2, minimax is 3. Since this is not equal, then we call it as game without saddle point. Game without saddle point. If maximum and minimax are not equal, let us consider x1, x2, y1, y2 or the probability for player A and player B for the strategy 1 and 2 respectively. Then we will use this formula, then we will determine the probabilities for each player. We know the value of A22. A22 in this payoff matrix, it is if you compare with respect to the standard notation, here we have A11, A12, A21, A22. To find the value of x1, we know the formula. To find the value of y1, we know the formula. After calculating x1, y1, we can calculate x2, y2. If you know what is the value of a22, it is 5. Here you have to substitute 5 minus a21. A21 is 2. I minus 2 divided by a11 plus a22. A11 plus a22. 3 plus 5 is 8 minus a21. A12 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we get 5 minus 2 is 3 by 8. That is x1 value, we got 3 by 8. Similarly for y1, a22 minus a12. A22 it is 5 minus a12 we have minus 2. Divided by denominator we get the same, it is 8 minus 0. 5 minus of minus is plus. 5 plus 2 is 7 by 8. Since you know the value of x1 and y1, if you substitute, we get x2 is nothing but x1 minus x1. You know the value of x1 is 1 minus 3 by 8. 8 minus 3 is 5 by 8. That is x2 value is 5 by 8. And similarly, y2 is nothing but 1 minus y1. You know the value of y1 is 7 by 8. 1 minus 7 by 8. 8 minus 7, it is 1 by 8. It is y2 value. You know the value of the probabilities. It is x1, x2, y1, y2. Then we will determine the value of the gap by using this formula. That is value of the game B is given by a11, a22 minus a21 into a12, denominator this equation. Then a11 into a22, it is 3 into 5 is 15 minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 divided by denominator we get same, it is 8 minus 0. 5, 15 plus 4 minus of minus is plus 4, 19 by 8. It is the value of game is 19 by 8. After calculating all the probabilities value, it is after calculating all the probabilities value, let's list out in the table. Say for player A, for player B, For player B, A, we have first 1 and 2 strategy, that is x1, x2. Similarly, for player B, we have two strategy, is x1, x2, and probability is as y1, y2. Corresponds to player A, what the value of x1? x1 is 3 by 8. Here you write 3 by 8. For x2 value is 5 by 8. For y1 value, it is 7 by 8. It is y1 with respect to player B, 7 by 8. y2 for player B is 1 by 8. This is the mixed strategy the player must use to win a game. We will solve one more problem with respect to game without saddle point. Solve the following game. This is for player B, for player A. Say there is one B1, B2, A1, A2.
And the values in the pair of matrix
Is 5, 1, 3, 4. Let us go for the solution. You need to determine this for the following game. You need to solve, that is, you need to find the strategy for player A and player B. We will copy down the same problem. We have B1, B2 for player B. For player A, they are given A2, A1, 5, 1, 3, 4. First, you need to calculate row minimum. 5, 1, minimum is 1. 3, 4, minimum is 3. Out of this, minimum, maximum is 3. Here you write maxi, min. In example, remember this easily. Out of minimum, you need to select maximum. That is with respect to row player or player A. Similarly, column maximum. 5, 3, maximum is 5. 1, 4, maximum is 4. Out of this maximum, you need to select minimum. That is out of 5, 4, minimum is 4. Here you write mini, max. Since maximum is not equal to minimax, that is maximum value is 3, is not equal to minimax value is 4. This implies game without saddle point. Or we call it as a mixed strategy. The given game is of a mixed strategy. Then next, we need to consider the probabilities. Say, since they are given A1, A2, let x1, x2 and y1, y2 are the probabilities for player A and B. For the strategy, here you have write for the strategy. Since we taken x1, x2 for player A, you have to consider the strategy notation is given A1, A2 and B1, B2 respectively, such that x1 plus x2 equal to 1, y1 plus y2 equal to 1. Let us find the probabilities value for the given problem. That is x1 value, that is in this table 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 divided by diagonal elements we need to add 5 plus 4 it is 9 minus 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. It is 1 by 5. X1 value. Similarly for y1, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 divided by denominator will get same. It is 9 minus 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 5. The next, you know the value of x1 and y1, will calculate x2 by 2. That is x2 is given by 1 minus x1. You know the value of x1 is 1 by 5. This implies x2 is 4 by 5. Similarly for y2, 1 minus y1 value is 3 by 5. Therefore y2 is 2 by 5. You know all the probabilities value. Let us find the value of the game. Value of the game B is given by diagonal elements you need to multiply. 5 into 4 is 20 minus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by diagonal elements you need to add 5 plus 4 9 minus 3 plus 1 is 4. 20 minus 3 17 divided by 9 minus 4 is 5. That is the value of game is 17 by 5. Since you know all the probabilities value, it is x1, x2, y1, y2, you need to list it in a table. It is for player A and player B. For player A, in the question they are given the strategy as A1 and A2. And that corresponds to A1, A2, the probabilities are x1, x2. Here in bracket you write x1, x2. Similarly for player B, the strategy they are given as B1, B2. Probabilities as y1, y2. y1, y2. For player A, what is the value of x1? x1 is 1 by 5. x2 value is 4 by 5. For player B, the y1 value is 3 by 5. For y2 value is 2 by 5. This is the solution for the given game. That means both the player must use a mixed strategy to win a